all of the solar and Tangagi to Skacha Dubatina to smash the planets, planet gay or that the malo, on the malo. Let me read all these 3 points in English, then later I will explain in Tibetan language. Okay, first we know of 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. You can remember the order with the sentence, "My very educated mother just served as nut." Second, all the planets revolve around the sun's path called orbit, and closer are the planets it's to the sun. The smaller orbit is so Mercury take only 88 days to circle around the sun, but Earth takes 365 days. Third, Pluto was earlier constituted as 9th planet, but it is now considered a dwarf planet because it's not big enough to call planet, has unclear debris around it. 당한테 dinal로야. 아주 planets las gay ro ni mekim kyu gay nalo 당아주 ni mekim kyu gay 당아주 장자로 Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. 레라고 지는 아주 두스체베네 my very educated mother just served as nuts. My lips of Mercury with Venus che educated in Earth che mother dig Mars che just Jupiter che served Saturn che used Uranus che and not Neptune. Oh, those Lela Wujine, my very educated mother just served as nothing. Lela Wujine, my the Mercury with Venus, educated the Earth, mother the Mars, just the Jupiter, as this serve like Neptune, you the Uranus, and not the Neptune. Oh, those Lela Wujine, Temba de Edge to Nado Simbena. Planet gate to Slela and Shingris Shuera. And even in a planet Gejalogi call Kurajagos and orbit to Skorajagores, Karel Kurajagos, Nimal Kurajagores. Okay. Ani Dinalone Tadiche. That do some planet do some smaller. Do some solo corrigos and planet Geja, Nimal Corrigo. What is the Nime Kimpula Boris? Mercury, the Nime gesture get lingore, Taganashing Salga do some, and Earth in Nimasumja to Jurangata, and the Sholo Lajo, Nima Loshijela, Nimasumja to Jurangata, should the Shije, Nima Suja to Juredu, only to Juredu Kaji Loshijela Chago, Lajura, and the Sholo La Zezura. All these handsome Shache. Tangaraz Mercury, the Mercury, Venus, Earth, the Saturn. That's this straight the asteroid like the Bluetooth. Okay, that is it. The Bluetooth in Antuki Yamang the planet Guna Jixi, that the planet the Chimbu May of the Chunju Umpara, the May of Chow Songi and planet Gena Zigori, and the planet Good Bluetooth jail at Hama the Chunju Chapora May of Chata, Blue planet Kasur and you make him gay and Sasava the day and lay savory, the scientist gay and astronaut discovered Chessibra planet Chimpatine. Okay, then next and gave the asteroid like first, asteroids are the small objects that circle the sun. They are found between orbit of the Mars and Jupiter. Scientists believe they are pieces of planet exploded many years ago. Asteroid takdu rik chunju to ba de zamling de tungu to ba asteroid de sama de 또 춘주리 점링 디주리 그 sama asteroid lower the Kagian orbit the Mars Jupiter 기만 요리 scientists 통과했어. All those exploded many years ago. 많이 추신죠. The 4 largest asteroid don't allow the Eva to Chishu to Jita do some asteroid 그냥 통해 점링 두 춘주리 두 some asteroid circle form 진주스 봐 asteroid level. Okay. 다 some asteroid 내게 다 tap 되는 Chishu to 가려서는 series 라 직접 비슷하게 니브체 당안해진 그 sorry. Palaslat Sumbache Hitinality 2 kilometer Kazu Gupja Sumju Surku Ngapja Nisanga Ngapja Jungni Shipja Sumju Subshi Wodi Hagoeche. Okay, the meteorite. First, the meteorite are also circle the sun, but they are much smaller than comets. Sometimes they come closer to and start falling towards Earth. But they are at such a high speed when they enter the atmosphere of Earth. There is a friction and they begin to burn. We see them as the Motor shows a falling star. Sometimes a motor doesn't get a burn up before it reaches the land. Instead, it crashed on the earth crater's big hole. The meteorite lane takdu Greek tini manam ne masam the matu sa yu the meteorite the circle ya donation it do Greek che and yan smaller than orbit comet led this chunga comet led do Greek chunju di chunga jores. 디 카리오스나 참참 아주 점링간에 마사기도와 점링간에 마 스피드 족부 슈지 마사니 점링간이야 참자 에고원데 비심도데 통거와 안 디 점링간에 말레네다 마 점링간에 마사고르다 오케데 직제 매트릭체 okay the artificial satellite misu sunga lagwa 10th artificial satellite lab in humming made satellite it is an artificial body made by humming tanganju gi mi gi sungyo che. Second, it is the designed by scientists to gather information to universal communication. Third, some of the Indian satellite is spelled INSAT, IRS, EDUSAT, etc. 당아주 디 humming satellite level 당아주 메시지 순간 레르와. 다 메시지 순간에 미기 수행교 natural memory 미기 수행교 믹스기 scientist 가지고 점링 간이야 information 내 communication 들이어와 satellite 중니 안주기다 점링 간 카르카르도 아니 참점 communication 들이 지기로와 안주 점링 간이야 internet 들이 중니 안주 하 니주 망보지 또야 제도 다디 satellite 메시지 순간 레르와 다 satellite 가서 야하기 베니샤샤베네 IS the stand 가지고 Indian National Satellite System 지지 IRS stand for Indian Remote Sensing 라 직제 then EDU 라 Educational Satellite 모두 양 미 야하기 순교 순거 지그레스 artificial satellite 야가나로 순교 지그레스 오케이 다디 케지 무체 다디 퍼스퉁구도 봐 코나 닐 암스트롱 드레 닐 okay he's a sorry 다디 직샤야체